Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet, then Mobile Hotspot. You need the Wi-Fi adapter enabled. That allows the hotspot panel to show SSID and password. Once visible, you can edit fields. This is where you change credentials. Make sure you understand why. Changing the password prevents unauthorized access, and it forces devices to re-authenticate. So, open the panel, confirm the hotspot is on, and prepare a secure password before moving to the next step. Once done, click Edit or the Change button to open the SSID and password inputs. Type a new password. Aim for 12 or more characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. That reduces brute force risk. You can also rename the SSID to something clear but not personally identifiable. Make sure to apply or save changes. Some systems require you to restart the hotspot service so the new credentials take effect. Save, then stop and start the hotspot to enforce the update immediately. After saving, verify the change. On your phone or another laptop, forget the old network, then reconnect using the new password. Make sure connected devices show correctly in the hotspot's connected list. Remove any unknown entries to protect bandwidth and security. If you can't change the password, make sure the Wi-Fi driver is up to date and restart the laptop. Many issues resolve with a reboot. If problems persist, run the system network troubleshooter or reinstall the wireless adapter driver to fix configuration blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.